How to log in into Epic Games account. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to log into your Epic Games account for the Epic Games Store. So let's get started. Firstly, simply go to any web browser and go to the Epic Games website. You can see Epic Games option available there. Simply tap on it and go to their official website. Now on the website, look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Then simply tap on it and you will be navigated to the login page. Now in the login page, you will see several options for login including Epic Games account, standard email and password, Facebook, Google, Xbox Live, PlayStation Network, Nintendo account, Apple ID, and simply select the option you used when creating your account. Now for Epic Games account, enter your email address and password, then click login. Now, for social media or other accounts, log in using the corresponding credentials for the platform. So, after successfully logging, you'll be redirected to your account, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.